The Moonlight Bird and the Grolken by Anne Morgan, illustrated by Lois and published by IP Kids. Once upon a full moon night, a bird flew over the mountain. She whirled like a swallow, she flicked like a bat, and her shimmering lit up the eyes of the forest. The bird glided over a stream, tumble-dived a waterfall, and came up singing on a whirlpool's edge. The shining lit up the eyes of a Grolken. "Come to me, little bird," he coaxed. But the bird took flight from the creature. The Grolken followed the bird through the forest, into a town at the foot of the mountain. He heard the bird warbling in the town hall square and watched her dance for the people. The Grolken followed the bird when she tired of the town and winged her way through the wetlands. When she stopped to watch the black swans rising, he bounced and carried her back to his den. He locked the bird in a golden cage. "Sing, Moonlight Bird," urged the Grolken. "Sing, dance, and light up my den." But the bird only screeched and clawed. A mob from the town burst into the cave. "Give us the bird," the mayor ordered. "Give us the bird or we'll blow up your den." "I saw her first," snarled the Grolken. The people hurled insults and sticks and rocks. When the Grolken crumpled, they blew up the mouth of the cave and carried away the bird. They built a palace in the town hall square to keep the bird safe from all dangers. "Sing, Moonlight Bird," begged the people. "Sing, dance, and light up our lives." But the bird only screeched and clawed. The bird slept through the day. At night she piped a sad, thin call to the waning moon. Slowly and steadily, her light went out. Trapped in the gloom of his den, the Grolken roared and howled. Then he burbled the bird's cheerful song and set to work, shifting boulders. The Grolken rushed down the mountain. "Now I know what it's like to be trapped," he thundered. "The Moonlight Bird must fly free." He broke into the palace and snatched up the bird. The Grolken carried her out of the town. When they stopped to rest, he sang to the bird. And as he sang, her light grew brighter. They came at last to a wild, bright beach. "Fly away now," urged the Grolken. "Spread your wings and fly free." The bird sang and danced with the Grolken. And she flew away over the ocean, her moon shadow flapping behind her. The end.